Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. So here we received this parcel from one of my very favorite brands, Shopping Bees. I tried on almost all products and all are amazing because this brand is one of my tried and tested brand. So Alhamdulillah, no doubt about any skin allergies or any reaction because Alhamdulillah, I didn't face any. And this product is one of my favorite product. This is our Cocoa Mud mask for it feels like a chocolate cake you face. It's that chocolatey mask. Trust me, it's just too good. And even glow is just superb, and even smells so good. Just look at the texture, it's turned out so chocolate. And yeah guys, this is cucumber tree loafer. This is really good to remove the dead skin and dirt and all kind of dirt from your skin, and it will give you amazing and glowy skin. And this is the goat milk soap. This is really very good for the skin whitening and brightening. It will give you the radiant glow on your skin. So guys, do check out her page and do check out her product because she's having